In this video, I'll show you how to send money on Paysend. So to get started, go ahead and open the Paysend app on your device and make sure that you're actually signed in into your account on the application. Once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and hit on that Not Now button at the top right of your screen. So in here, you'll find the Send Money button at the bottom right of your screen. So click on that, and from there, you'll be able to select how to deliver money to recipients, so you can send to their bank card or Swift wire transfer. You can simply select how to send your money from your registered accounts on the Paysend app. So simply select the payment method that you want to choose from this two. And once you have selected your payment method, you just need to enter the information about your receiver, such as their card number or their Swift code, full name, their location, and other important information. And once you have entered that, you just need to enter the amount of money that you want to send into that specific individual and click on the send button to actually finalize sending money to that user. And that is how you can basically send money on Paysend.